Let's see. Here we go. Okay, we are riding Expressen at Finalcut Sommarland, and it's 30-ish year old. And this is a
nice view.
Yeah, it's a nice view. Let's see if I can show you. Look, it's a great view. Okay, here we go. Get ready, everyone. Woohoo! It's very close to the trees here. You can high five the trees. That's Express here at Finalcut Sommarland, and I hope you enjoyed it. It's just what it is. It's a Mine Express.
Yeah, very cute.
Yeah, it's very cute. It's pretty fun. I understand this being fun for kids. It's a nice roller coaster.
Nice.
Yeah.